and you want to switch off the GC to save gas over the weekend. So you have to make sure in the online that the standby is running. So it's a standby method which is running. Then you can check here the temperature. You can see it's on 64 degrees, so that's a little bit too hot to switch it off now. So you open the column oven, so to make it cool down faster. As you can see here, now it's sort of like fast, 60 degrees, 59. It's almost a second is 1 degree. And then you wait until it's approximately 40 degrees, 40 degrees. And when it's at this temperature, you can reclose the oven. So we are almost there. And then you can switch off here. So there's a green light here at the end, so you switch it off. And then on Monday morning, you can when you need it again, you just switch it on. So there's not much to do about this here. Something else which is important is that you have different vials. So you have ethanol as a washing. You have cyclohexane. So be sure these two solvents are always above the level. You have a line, you can see level. And that the waste is not above the level, okay? So this here should not be above the white. Don't only do it for the first, for the front column, but also for the back one. So you have to check always both. Be sure that you remove old vials before you launch a new sequence. So here this position 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Here it is 101, here it is 201, 202, 203 and so on. We have a yellow bottle, so that's the cyclohexane, and we have an ethanol bottle. So these are the two bottles to fill it up, and here's the waste. Also make sure that you look from time to time what the pressure is. So it should not be below here 10 bars. If it's 10 bars, then we have to, or 5 bars, we have to change. So the 10 bars is the best to change this bottle. So we have to contact Air Liquide, and they will do it for us. So this heated up again a little bit. So let's cool it down. You have to let it open until 50, and then we switch it off. So that's basically it. So here's the printer. If obviously the cartridge or the paper is empty, so we have paper usually in the back, some stock. If the cartridge is empty, please let me know. We will order a new cartridge. And if there's any problem, please contact me or Marielle Blo. I will show the email address in this tutorial.